Hey guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. We got a lot going on. You guys saw last week we were in New Jersey on that install. Oh no, that was Western PA. We were in, I don't even remember the name of the town. Let's see, Watsontown, PA. It was about 3 hours from here. We got that install done in a day. So the shop was cleared up, and I built this a couple days ago. So this is the next one that's going out. This is local. This is in a little town of Chalfont, Pennsylvania, that this custom 8x8 is going to. But more importantly, we are heading to Myrtle Beach tomorrow to finally deliver the Myrtle Beach project for Dan Hegg. So let's see what's going on. There's Steve. Steve's got his back to you. And let's all see what's going on here. We have that pirate table. That's going. I don't know if you can see it because of the glare. We got 3 stools going with that. Custom built Tiki Kev stools. And there's Scott. Scott always tries to look busy in front of the camera, and then as soon as I walk away, he's gone. Yep, act like he's doing something. So we got the palms low. Scott, how many palms you guys got in there?
15 plus.
1,500 plus? Should be good. And there's Dan's bar. His is 9x5, gets a beer meister in it. And there's an ice bin in it. There's rope lighting, all kinds of cool stuff. Now Dan already has a tiki hut, a 16x16, but we're going to rethatch that once we get there. And we're going to be doing a couple other odd things for Dan other than installing the bar and rethatching his roof. So really looking forward to this trip. Had a lot of fun when we went down in November and looked at the project. So, yeah, Melissa and I are flying out tomorrow. And then Scott and Steve are driving down in the box truck with everything. So hopefully we'll all rendezvous somewhere around the same time. And look forward to this project. It's a reunion for Scott.
Our 10-year reunion.
Yeah. So there's that table again. It's a 30-inch table I made, or 36. I don't remember. I make so many darn things in the shop. So once again, hey, we'll see you guys in Myrtle Beach. Look at this. The shop is okay. Scott, we don't want to see that. Come on, really? The camera goes, and you got to go and bend over like that. Come on. All right, ladies.
Give the fans what they want, man.
Ladies, I am so sorry. Please do not stop following. Well, anyway, we got a lot of the shop all cleared out now. We got bar stools up the wazoo. There's 5 we made this morning. We got all these over here that are all good. These are all going out, and we are behind in bar stools. We still have 19 to make. So, yeah, we're busy. We are busy, busy, busy. All right, this was a long video. Oh, look, Melissa's already back. She's working. She's getting the bases ready to build the stools. And I'm already starting another bar today while this one gets sealed. And this one will go out next week after we get back from Myrtle. And the drive time on this it's really long. Geez, it's got to be about, what do you think, Melissa, 10 minutes at max?
What?
Drive time from the shop to this project?
Oh, yeah, easy.
Yeah, 10 minutes max.
It's a really long trip.
I know. We might have to get a hotel and stay. All right. So, all right, guys. We are getting ready to head out. Well, they are. Melissa and I are staying back. We're going to be working in the shop at least until 7 or 8 tonight to get as much done as possible for when we come back. Because we have this same bar here. I have to make and get out before the 4th of July. So, balls to the wall, everybody. All right, so from the Tiki Kev shop, hope you guys stay tuned in. If you need to get a hold of me, phone number is 800-792-TIKI, which is 8454. Or you can email me, tikikev@tikikev.com. All right, everybody. Hope you all have a great day. Tiki Kev out.